What was song?
Extend there.
What was song? Extend
there.
Speak in English. Speak English. Haji.
Haji ayoye. Haji ayoye. Haji ayoye. Dr. Kizza Besigye.
Kusawa 7:15 kano Dr. Kizza Besigye Kifeefe ne Haji Obedi batuusiddwa ku kooti y'amagye Makindye emanyiddwa nga General Court Martial oluvannyuma lw'embulubujju ezibadde zibungeesebwa famire ye nga zigamba nti ono yali yawambibwa saako n'ab'emikwano. Wakati mu kutuusibwa ku kooti bano basabiddwa okwanjulayo bannamateeka baabwe wabula ebyembi babadde tebeeteeseteese kwaŋŋanga bibadde bigenda mu maaso.
Lawyers, but they have to accept to be my lawyers, having had a brief from. I don't know whether you want to present my wishes to this court.
Wano Dr. Kizza Besigye agaanye eky'okumuwozesa mu kooti ey'amagye.
Sir, you have to tell court the reasons why you have objected the court.
I object to a court of the military because I am not a member of the UPDF. And I believe that I should be tried by a civil court if I am suspected of having committed an offense.
But I've already mentioned it earlier that I object because I'm a civilian. I've never been, I'm a civilian since I was born. I've never joined any force, or even being a scout. So I think I must be tried by a civil court.
Kanora Fairo Mugisha ono nga Director of Prosecution mu UPDF bw'ati abanukudde.
There's only one objection which has been raised by the two accused persons, and that is that they are not members of the UPDF, therefore they are not supposed to appear before the military court. And we have the enabling law, section 117 of the UPDF Act, which enables us to have people who are not subject to military law, but otherwise get subject to military law because of circumstances or inviting themselves to be tried by the military law. I pray that the court goes ahead to read the charges.
Wano Lodi Meya w'ekibuga Kampala Salongerias Lukwago era nga munnamateeka omutendeke embeera eno agiyingidde mu bunnambiro.
As you know, Mr. Chairman, lawyers act on instructions, and the instructions come with the sufficient information on how they can be represented. So all we know, Dr. Besigye and a colleague traveled to Nairobi, and we don't know, we are not aware how he ended up here. So it becomes extremely difficult for us to proceed under those circumstances.
Brigadier General Robert Freeman Mugabe ono nga ye ssentebe wa kkooti y'amagye asomedde ababiri bano emisango gyabwe okubadde Dr. Besigye ne Haji Obedi okubadde emisango ena egy'okusangibwa n'ebintu by'amagye. Kooti eno eyongezeddwayo okutuusa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 Desemba era ng'ababiri bano basindikiddwa ku mmeera e Luzira. Serena Nagujja yakusakidde emboozi eno ku BTM TV Community Report.